So this is one of the eastern turrets, I think. As Sam yanks on my arm. And then look at the views on that.
Hein? Non, mais attends, je sais pas si j'ai foutu le bordel. Je sais pas s'il y a tout dans mon sac.
Be another St. Gareth thing or something.
It's beautiful sunshine, but the wind's got a bit of a chill still. Clouds bubbling up on the horizon. So we're walking down the side of a steep hill that had Hadrian's wall on it, and Sam is taking the slow route, and we're going to come to a ford in the river, and I think I can see the river over there, so keep smiling.
Good morning.
Morning.
Hi.
Sam. That is nice, but it's blooming freezing. Sammy Lou, you going in the waters? Is he going to go for it? He's had a lick. Push him in, Tash. Samaloo. Where is you, Samaloo? There you are. It's pretty cool how the wall follows the landscape. entrance back to the River Irvine with the footbridge over there. The point at which ancient meets modern. And where do all good walks end up at? Okay, not a pub this time, but this place sells homemade cakes, so Mrs. G is absolutely on focus. However, the pub's not far away. Sammy doing his best impression of a splayed chicken. So Hadrian's Wall, really enjoyed it. Stopped off at Meg's tea room. Mrs. G got a mango and passion fruit or apricot bubble tea, which worked well, and a slice of cake, so everyone's happy. Don't think it's that steep. Well, I tell you what, smoking those cigars, this is where they really come into play. Don't think I could have got up this hill without them. And where do all good walks end up at?
What's Megatron do?
Poor puppy Dougie. He's been kept very busy today. My friend Bob will love this. They're actually playing a cover of the Jamiroquai track. There's the top of our van. What's not to like about this place? There's a pub stopover. So 6 AM and been up since about 4:15. I'm an early riser anyway. We've got a lot of tall trees around us and they're all full of crows. You can probably hear it now. So that started about 4:15. Eventually got up and got a coffee about 4:45. So we've been staying at the Blackensop Castle Inn, or Blenkinsop Castle Inn, which is one of these pub stopovers. The premise being that you know it's free and you can stay overnight, but you're obliged to go in and have something to eat or something to drink. If you don't, I think some pubs will charge you a tenner, so it's good value for money, but I've no problem going in. So last night we had a really nice meal in there. And then this morning we finally crossed the border. We leave early this morning, I think. We early start, even Mrs. G's up. And we've got a 140-mile trip from here to Leven in Scotland. Most of it on the A74M. So I'm hoping for a less windy drive than what I had on the last big leap, but yeah, it should be good. weather supposed to be nice this morning and then rain this afternoon. So, but given the weather we had yesterday along Hadrians Wall, probably due a bit of rain. Yesterday it was amazing, 19 degrees, roasting. I think I even got a bit of a suntan. So, I guess time to pack up and get on our way. Probably going to say this 100 times on this trip, but that's not the worst view in the world to wake up to.